Hi, it's certified OPTAVIA coach Susan Zartman here today. How are you? Wanted to share with you about the cauliflower foods. They've got these great flatbreads. I've shared with you about the cauliflower pizza crust that are wonderful, and just want to give you a little review of these. The flatbreads are great. You get 4 of these little flatbreads in a container. Each individual flatbread, you can see, it's got 70 calories, and they've only got 3 carbs, and there's 6 grams of protein. So they are great for all kinds of programs, including ours. If you are on one of the OPTAVIA kind of plans, 2 flatbreads actually equal 1/3 of a lean and 2 greens. I'll put that in the comments below for you. But I have used them as wraps. I have also used them as mini pizzas, which is my favorite. So what I really enjoy doing is I go ahead and I will bake them. I've been putting them on this little slotted pan. So basically I just take them out of the freezer there, put them out there, and then I put them in the oven at about, I've been doing it like 375, and just cooking them until they're through and getting a little bit, kind of browned up there. And then I'll cook a whole bunch of them. I stick them, after they're cooled together, into a plastic bag. I stick them in my freezer, and it's so awesome. When I am ready, I can pop them out, and I love my air fryer. So I stick them in my air fryer, put a little bit of ragu. They've got a pizza sauce that's only like 4 carbs. It's so great. And I put some low skim, low fat mozzarella cheese. And you can put some other toppings if you like on there. You could just for a few minutes, and I've got a great, fast, and delicious kind of lean and green partially meal there. So again, that's it equals 1/3 of a lean and 2 greens, or you just got some great food there for all kinds of programs. So I'll put a link below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear what you think about them. How are you using them? Have a great day.